Hey guys, this is Tool Tad's Garage on a final video of 18 on Ford Truck Month. This is the kit that I was going to be building, 1937-38 Ford Street Rod kit. Really cool kit, has a lot of features, a lot of items. Mine was missing directions plus the entire motor. I found out later on I didn't even have the flathead that was in the kit. Big bummer. Had plans on building it pretty wild with a flathead, but hey, I think I came up with something just as cool. It's called I named this truck Hard Candy. It's one coat lacquer, root beer. Straight out of the can with a one coat with a Rust-Oleum clear coat on it. Tailgate works. Did the wood bed. The bed isn't the greatest. Used mellow pin on the chrome slats onto it. The hood doesn't really fit too. This one didn't fit real good. And yeah, there's major fish eyes in the hood. The truck itself doesn't have it. The hood, for some reason, fish eyed on me bad. The fenders, I had some real issues with this truck. See, it's got some pretty nasty fish eyes. But it's a shop truck. I like it without the hood on it. Yeah, chassis is done. Stock chassis, believe it or not. Had to modify the jiggers out of the firewall a little bit to fit that trio of carbs on it. Spin it around to run the fuel lines to it. Close shot of the six packs, carburetions. Exhaust manifolds are underneath there. They weren't the easiest to put on. Aftermarket steering wheel or a hot rod kit. Real basic interior. It's got gauges and stuff like that in it. This thing did at least have the decals for some reason. It's got a surfboard for it, some parts, some rails that go on the bed. I don't want to use them on this thing. I think I like it without it. I like it without the hood personally. Comment down below if you like it with the hood or not. I like it without. Added some taillights and a license plate to the rear, and the aluminum tipped exhaust is out of the kit. They supplied you with 2 exhaust tips and a lurid stance, so it's already got a nice stance. Chrome hubcaps on it all the way around on black wheels, and then of course the center of I put the chrome center cap on the spare tire. Added the battery to the bed, and then added a gas filler door on that side of the truck. real basic. The Ram bumperless on it. I do have some chrome bumperettes for it. I just didn't feel it. This thing really deserved all that. It was a fun little month build. Today being the 18th. So, hope everybody likes it. It's no show winner for sure of that. It's got a lot of issues. But that's all learning on this. It was a learning experience for this truck. Really, I like the 37, 38 Ford. I like the 37 Ford trucks better than the 38s, but that's just me. Hope everybody gets into the semi truck build. My GMC Jungle sitting there. I'm working on it. Haven't got any of the paint work done on it yet. That's from Tom Solis and Jeff Model Cars. My friends list is getting bigger, guys. Yeah, come join into that build off. Hope to see you all there. And also get into the Pro Street build that Dylan's putting on at New York State Modelers. And also the Cadillac build that Little Joe and Fast Jimmy is putting on. I'm thinking about throwing my hat in the ring on that build off, the Cadillac build off. With a Cadillac, with a Fuchs Cadillac. So look out some videos coming up on that build. That will probably be box stock, fellas. But hope everybody likes my little 36 Ford, my little 37 Ford Street Rod. This is Joel Tass signing out.